SolarEast is a publicly listed high-tech enterprise in China. Founded in 1999, it has 24 years' experience in the field of clean energy-based manufacturing and sci-tech innovation. Owning 5 modern production bases across China, it is ranked the top 500 global clean energy enterprises. SolarEast has established innovation platforms for energy storage and heat pumps, and is one of the contributors and makers of relevant industry standards. As one of its fully owned subsidiaries, SolarEast ESS offers a variety of energy storage products, including rack-mounted, stack-mounted, wall-mounted ESS, commercial and industrial ESS, as well as portable power stations, featuring safe LFP battery chemistry and self-developed BMS and hybrid inverters. Our products have passed various certifications such as IEC and CE and can offer our customers an access to safe, reliable, durable, and cost-efficient energy storage service. In addition to high-quality, efficient, safe, and smart energy storage products, SolarEast ESS can also provide characteristic PV plus energy storage plus heat pump plus EV charger integrated solutions, which ensure the customers to enjoy free power generation, uninterrupted power supply, and high-efficient power consumption as a whole. SolarEast ESS adopts Industry 4.0 technologies and empowers products with leading intelligent equipment. The production line is characterized by digitalized and informatized production processes in terms of cell, module, and pack processing. The whole line is equipped with MES, Manufacturing Execution System, which visualizes and digitalizes key production procedures and delivers stable and reliable quality products. SolarEast ESS boasts an annual production capacity of 2 gigawatt-hours. SolarEast ESS is poised to provide customers with PV plus ESS plus heat pump plus EV charger integrated solutions in such application scenarios as zero-carbon homes and zero-carbon industrial parks. Up to date, we have served more than 67 million families and 20,000 enterprises, winning acclaim for our expertise from users and experts alike around the globe. SolarEast ESS, an integrated solution provider with flexible ways of cooperation, we are committed to providing you with customized solution to your satisfaction. No matter where you are and no matter what kind of products and services you need, we are always at your service. Please feel free to contact and let us work together for a clean, low-carbon, and beautiful future. SolarEast, an integrated solution provider.